Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a TikTok UI clone inside React.js. So the interface looks something like this. We are running this application locally right here. So we have quite a number of videos right here which are playing. You can see that it also looks good on mobile phone as well. So it's completely responsive here. So this looks something like this on mobile phone. You will see that these are three videos that I have. You have the play button, pause button, you can play the video. So we also have buttons for liking the video, commenting, sharing, everything is there. So you can see that using your mouse you can actually swipe away to different videos right here. So this is the full directory structure. It's coded right directly in React.js. Each and every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file. So if you're interested in purchasing it, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase the source code. After you purchase it, all the source code will be downloaded from Google Drive. So it's actually using the latest version of React, and we are also using React Redux for this as well, for building this application. And it's very simple to run this. So go to the terminal, simply type the command npm run start. So this will start the application at localhost 3000. So it's just a UI clone. It is not saving this information in any database. So it's just a UI clone of TikTok. So it has a similar UI structure of displaying videos, playing videos. We have these controls for liking, sharing the video. So it's completely responsive, as you can just see, on desktop, mobile devices, tablet. So it will save you a lot of time if you're looking forward for building out your own TikTok clones. So you can actually purchase the source code and get started. Each and every component is divided into its appropriate TypeScript file. So the videos are stored inside this right here. You can upload more videos. So these are three static videos which are there inside the public videos folder. So you can add more videos, or you can also store these videos in database as well. Plus you can integrate the authentication system as well. So the possibilities are endless. You can actually integrate this. It's a React project, so it's also very easy for you to run this and deploy this as well. And if you still face any issues in running and deploying the application, you can mail me. I will help you. So you can just see right here. So these are vertical videos which are playing right here. So we have all these controls which are there. So it's displaying the title, it is playing the video, and you can swipe for getting to different videos. So this is the overall project. So if you're interested in this, the link is given in the description.